Okay, hello there. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be cleaning the air filter on this 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. The air filter is located right over here, and it's actually a very simple procedure, no issues. Some of the items or tools that you're going to need, you need a 3mm Allen and 4mm Allen, some type of a degreaser, some type of a oil, what we have here, and I'll also have a degreaser up here, and maybe a tub, and that's basically what you need. It's actually quite simple. Okay, so let's get to it. First, what we want to do, we're going to take our 3mm and we're going to crack the two bolts. Okay, that's done. Next, what we're going to do is with our 4mm, we're going to crack these two bolts. Okay. Okay, that's done. And now the entire filter is going to come off. Okay, so there's two pieces to it, one piece like this and that one. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I want to see if this one will fit right here, and no, it doesn't. So I'm going to put it in a tub like this. These pieces, I'm just going to throw them in here, and we're going to also wash them and clean them. So basically what I want to do right now is I want to degrease this. Look at this thing. It is yeah, full of oil and everything else, so we're going to degrease. So I have the tub ready, okay, and I'm just going to spray it. Come on. Come on. Okay, and let that sit there. I also have my other brake cleaner where it will degrease the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it like this for about maybe 20 minutes or so. So I'll come back here in 20 minutes. Okay, so while that is degreasing, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take regular soap and water, and I'm just going to spray this pretty good. Let that also soak right in and get rid of all the dirt and corruption. Okay, and again, I'm just going to leave it like this for a few more minutes, and then we're going to go and wash the other parts. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take this home, and I'm just going to go and rinse everything off with the hot water, and I'm going to come back here and see how this will look like. Okay, so while that is all the other stuff is still in the wash a little bit here and there, what I did is I just cleaned all this out. There's a little bit of oil here. What you want to do is you want to remove as much of oil or debris from here as best as possible. Okay, so I'm just waiting for all that stuff to dry, and then we're going to slap everything together here in a minute. Okay, so I just washed the filter under hot water, and now it's wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this out here for a couple of hours. I just need this bone dry and air dried. That way I can apply the oil. And then once this is done, I'm going to continue with the video. So right now is I'm just going to leave it right here for a minute, and not a minute, till it's bone dry, and then apply oil. Okay, so the air filter is dry now, all good to go, no problem. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my K&N air filter oil, and I'm just going to spray it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go this way, so I hit every rib. Okay, I think we're good to go. So I'm gonna let that seep into the filter for a bit. This is basically what it looks like, and it's actually looking pretty good. No issues. I'm just gonna leave it here for a minute. My other parts are already clean. Everything is good to go, and I'm just gonna wait about 20 minutes for this to seep in, and then we're gonna reinstall it. Okay, so filter is good to go now. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the cover. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, it goes like this. Okay, I'm gonna place it on top. Take my 4mm bolt right here. Okay, and this will hold, not a problem. And also what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply blue Loctite a little bit on this guy, and I'll pull the other one and also apply blue Loctite. That way it's not going to come off. Okay. Okay, give her a little bit of a tightening. Okay, good. And good. All right, come on. So now we're going to reinsert the small little bolts. Again, I'm going to give her a little bit of a blue Loctite. Okay. Okay, here we go. And we'll put this one also. Okay, so basically this is it. Okay, air filter is good to go, prepared for maybe half a season, depending where you ride. So what we have learned here in the last, I don't know, 5-10 minutes or so, is how to service your air filter on this 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. It's actually quite simple, and you can easily do it. All right, if this video helped you out, please give me a like and a share, and I'll see you on the next one.